Hey guys, it's Tiffany from supereasymath.com. Today's math problem of the day says write the equation of a line that goes through -1, -3 with a slope of 2. Well, I'm going to use slope-intercept form to solve this problem, which says y equals mx plus b. Well, they gave us an ordered pair of -1, -3, and I know that the first number in the set of parentheses is always my x value, and the second number in my set of parentheses is always my y value. Well, the y is going to be -3, so I can plug that into this problem, okay? So -3. And then m always represents my slope. So they told us up there that the slope is 2. So instead of writing m, I'm going to write 2. Then x comes from over here in the ordered pairs, and I can see it's -1. Now I'm not going to write the -1 down directly next to it because it's going to look like 2 minus 1. So I'm going to put it in parentheses, and it's just -1. And then plus b. Well, now I need to solve for b. So what I mean by solve for b is I have all of the values of all the other parts of the problem. I have the y value, the m value, the x value. So I need to solve it out so I figure out what b must equal to make this statement true. So to do that, I'm going to start by solving just this portion of the problem. So that makes me bring everything else down. I'm bringing out -3 equals -2 plus b. Now I'm going to add 2 to both sides, get rid of this, and I'm left with -1 here equals b. Now, because I know the value for b and I know the slope, I'm going to rewrite this problem using only the b value and slope. I'm going to exclude the ordered pair. And so that leaves me with y equals 2x minus 1. The y is written instead of the value for y. The x is written instead of the value for x. And I did write the slope, 2, which they gave me up here. And I did write -1 for my b value because over here I just solved and figured out what b equals. So now instead of writing b, I'm going to write what b equals. So y equals 2x minus 1 is your answer. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to supereasymath.com where you can get my top 5 math tips to make learning math easy.